All right.
Maybe something related to equality in genders and all.
जेंडर न्यूट्रलिटी, जेंडर तो जानता हूँ, न्यूट्रलिटी
Yes.
Actually, no.
Well, kind of yes and kind of no.
समान अधिकार,
समान अधिकार किसका किसका?
स्त्री और पुरुष।
ছেলে মেয়ে
हाँ
আমরা বরাবর আছি।
ठीक है. अब हिंदी में.
अब हिंदी में ছেলে लड़की लड़का बराबर है।
समानता तो होनी चाहिए, सबको बराबर अधिकार है जीने का, सब बराबर हर काम करने का, हर चीज़ में बराबर का हक होना चाहिए।
There is a very different thing, after getting married, why it is not a man that who has to leave his home. It is just a tradition that people have been following. So it is not out of any, that we are, demeaning women or anything. It is, there are certain trends which have been made. So if given a choice, now in today's world, you'll find many people, especially in Gurgaon, both men and women are working. They have hired somebody who cooks for them.
Right.
After a point of time, when they have to expand their family, somebody, either of them takes a decision that, in most of the cases, it's a woman who takes a decision of being at home so that she could take care of family. And
We all are people from the time belonging to this era, but there are so many people in villages who are still unaware of all these things, and I won't say that they are victim of all these things, but I would literally tell you that they are not aware of all these things, and they are bound by the gender boxes.
Any
right?
change will take time to happen. It didn't happen in Gurgaon, overnight. It took time.
Yeah.
So similarly, it will take time. For this, education plays an important aspect. What is happening around the world. So when we have an access to education, we talk about in terms of internet or in terms of television media or any media. When we see what is happening around the world, we try to change. So these things are missing once you go deep inside the villages or.
ये तो मैंने साइकिल चला ही रही हूँ मर्दों की तरह। हाँ? हमारे भाई बहन भी इतनी प्यार है, पूछो लड़ाई झगड़ा भी कभी नहीं हुआ। जैसे मैं बड़ी हूँ, मैं बोल लेती हूँ, लोग चुप रहते हैं।
Yeah, actually, whenever I ask my parents, for example, like now, my mom is always like, you have to be back by 7 or 8, and then I have friends in the society who are boys, and their parents are okay if they go on a night out or sneak and something like that. Even if they come by 11, they are okay. So I'm like, why not me?
Yeah,
Just because India is not safe for women and all. Change the thought process of people. And to be very honest, it's not just that men should be always discriminated, that men are every time into all that rape and all. But then the thinking should be changed with people. So that we are also safe and we have the freedom basically.
If a girl is having guy friends, so if until unless you're from like a very modern, basically in cliche terms, from a very modern family, then your parents are okay with that. But otherwise, जैसे अगर थोड़ा you go to थोड़े weaker sections or mediocre families में, so it's all like लड़के अच्छे नहीं होते।
ये बिल्कुल सही बात कह रही हैं। जैसे लड़कों में है कि सारे लड़के मतलब खराब नहीं होते, वैसे ही सारी महिलाएं भी अच्छी नहीं होती।
Never have I ever stopped my sister from playing cricket.
Never have ever differentiated two employees on the basis of their gender.
Never will I ever have any trouble with my sister coming back from work. Never will I ever stop my brother from helping my mom in the kitchen.
Take care of yourself.
All the best. We hope you make it.